Why is it that some people in their 60s are still climbing mountains, while others struggle with everyday tasks? The difference isn't just luck or genes, it's about the choices and habits we make. The aches, stiff joints, and numbness we often think come with old age aren't always set in stone. Often they're signs that our bodies need better care, that our inner systems are slowing down. Our bodies are amazing machines, but they need the right upkeep, gentle, regular habits to support health from the inside out. There's an ancient method over 1,000 years old that offers a way to bring back balance and energy. It doesn't promise eternal youth, but it gives you tools to work with your body, clear out internal waste, and restore flow. This practice can help reduce numbness and lower the risk of serious health issues like stroke. It's a journey to grow older with strength, dignity, and good health. Our story begins at the Shaolin Temple in China, where Bodhidharma, a monk from India, noticed the monks were physically weak from sitting and meditating for too long. He realized that a strong mind needs a strong body, so he created exercises to improve their health. Instead of focusing on muscle strength, he developed Dizziness Kin, the Sinew Metamorphosis Classic, to strengthen tendons, cleanse organs, and boost the flow of qi, or life energy. The movements were simple and gentle, but extremely powerful. The monks who practiced it became flexible and full of energy, able to meditate for hours without getting tired. This secret was passed down through generations, forming the foundation of Shaolin vitality. Over time, Dizziness Kin spread beyond the monastery, adapted but keeping its core principles. The arm-swinging exercise is one of its most accessible and powerful practices. It uses simple, rhythmic movements to awaken the body's natural healing and cleansing abilities. This ancient wisdom offers a solution to modern problems like numbness, poor circulation, and the risk of stroke. Imagine your body is like a house. Daily life creates trash, and if it's not cleaned up, problems will pile up. Our cells are constantly making waste products from metabolism, cellular trash that need to be taken out. The body has a super smart waste system, but when it slows down because we don't move enough, eat poorly or just get older, waste builds up. This buildup leads to swelling, aches, numbness, and even serious stuff like high blood pressure and strokes. Many people just treat the symptoms, not the real problem. A clogged up internal waste system. Real health comes from turning on your body's natural cleaning processes again. We need a way to help the body do the deep cleaning it was designed to do. The Muscle-Tendon Change Classic helps with this by supporting your body's waste removal process. Instead of just hiding the problems, it helps get rid of them for good. The result? More energy, less pain, and a healthier, cleaner inside. It's about taking out the trash, not just spraying air freshener. Your lymphatic system is like your body's inner cleaning crew, picking up and getting rid of waste and bad stuff. Unlike your blood system, it doesn't have a big pump like your heart. Lymph fluid moves slowly, needing your muscles to move, your breath, and gravity to help it along. If you don't move much, the lymph fluid can get stuck, and waste builds up, especially in your hands and feet. This buildup can make your hands and feet feel numb or tingly, and it can even raise your chances of getting sick or having a stroke. A lifestyle where you don't move much slows down your lymph flow, making you feel tired and not so great. Hard exercise can help, but it also makes more waste for your lymphatic system to clean up. The best kind of movement for your lymph health is gentle, steady, and regular. The Dizziness Kin arm swing gives you exactly this kind of movement. It works like a hand pump, helping your lymph fluid move and waste get out. If you do it regularly, you can help your body clean itself naturally and really feel the difference. It's a simple way to keep your insides clean and healthy. Get that lymph flowing, and you'll feel better from the inside out. The Dizziness Kin arm swing exercise, also called the classic arm swing, is super simple. You stand with your feet about shoulder width apart, knees a little bent, and your arms relaxed at your sides. Swing your arms back with a little push, then let them naturally swing forward, just like a pendulum on a clock. Repeat this movement in a steady, relaxed rhythm. The amazing thing is how gentle it is. It relaxes your body, creating a full body vibration that acts like a pump for your lymphatic system. Each swing helps to move out stagnant fluid, encouraging it to flow towards the center of your body for processing. Over time, this becomes a full-body internal massage, boosting circulation and lymphatic flow without any stress. Many people feel a tingling or warmth in their hands after just a few minutes, a sign of improved circulation. This is your body's waste management system getting reactivated. This simple arm swing unlocks a flow that might have been sluggish for years, starting a deep internal cleansing process. It's a small movement with a big impact. To get the most out of the arm swing, remember the golden rule of balance. Upper empty, lower full. That means your upper body is light and your lower body is strong. Keep your upper body relaxed, shoulders down, neck comfortable, arms swinging freely. Your lower body should be steady, feet gripping the ground, knees slightly bent, and your lower belly gently pulled in. Imagine yourself like a tree, strong roots, flexible branches. This balance lets the arm swing create the most movement with the least effort. It helps fluids flow without causing strain. It also helps energy move downwards, warming your feet and calming your mind. At first, relaxing your upper body might feel a bit strange, but with practice, you'll feel less tension and a warm feeling in your lower body. Your mind will become clearer as extra energy moves down. Mastering this rule isn't just about exercise, it's about living a balanced and effective life. The more you practice, the more natural and powerful it becomes. Upper empty, lower full is the secret to getting all the benefits from the dizziness kin. Dizziness kin isn't a quick fix, it's a long-term investment in your health. The problems it helps with, like bad circulation and toxins building up, they took years to show up. So, real change needs time, and you sticking with it. Think of your practice like taking care of a garden. Daily care brings slow, steady results. Every practice, even if it's just 15 minutes, is like putting money in your health bank. Some days you'll feel a difference, other days you won't. But every time you practice, it counts. Over weeks and months you'll see things get better. Less numbness, more energy, better sleep, and less stiffness. These are quiet, steady improvements, not magic that happens overnight. Being committed is super important. Make it a part of your daily routine, just like brushing your teeth. Don't get sad if things are slow. Trust the process and the old wisdom of this method. Your body can heal itself if you give it time and the right help. Patience and sticking with it are your best friends. The journey is slow, but the rewards are huge. Dizziness kin isn't a magic fountain of youth. It won't stop time, but it can change how you grow older. The goal isn't to fight aging, but to grow older with strength and grace. This practice changes your relationship with your body, turning neglect into a partnership. By doing the hand-swinging exercise, you listen to your body's signals and respond with gentle, healing movements. Good blood flow and a clean inside environment reduce stress on your systems, keeping your blood vessels flexible and your joints healthy. Your mind stays clearer, and your body remains more capable. You're not stopping aging, but you are stopping unnecessary decline. This is about building a foundation for a lively, independent life, at any age. Treat your body like a partner, not a machine that's set to break down. With the right care, you can thrive for many years to come. In the end, you face a choice: passive worry or active self-care. You can live in fear of sickness and decline, or you can take action to support your health every day. Dizziness kin is a simple, powerful step towards empowerment. Dedicate 20 minutes each day to swing your arms, cleanse your body, and boost your inner systems. Don't just listen to stories of decline, write your own story of vibrant aging. The arm swinging exercise is not just movement, it's a statement that you choose health and vitality. Start today. Find a quiet space, ground your feet, relax your shoulders, and begin to swing your arms. Trust in your body's ability to heal and grow stronger. This is your invitation to step out of fear and into strength and confidence. The power to transform your health is in your hands. Choose to use it.